Drying remains to be one of the problems besetting the post-harvest industry today. Many farmers in the country still prefer sun-drying their harvested grains. This is not always possible, especially when rains occur. Thus, the use of mechanical dryers is recommended. However, many of the mechanical dryers used by farmers are run by fossil-based fuels. The high cost of fuel in the pump stations makes drying operation expensive. This limits the utilization of mechanical dryers. These factors contribute much in the reduction of the quality and quantity of the farmer's harvests. This problem moved the Bureau of Post-Harvest Research and Extension, or BIPRE, an attached agency of the Department of Agriculture based in the Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija, to develop heating system for mechanical dryers using biomass. BIPRE developed two kinds of biomass furnace: the rice hull-fed furnace heater system and the multi-fuel biomass furnace. The rice hull-fed furnace heater system provides a cheaper alternative heat source for mechanical dryers using rice hull as fuel. For a 6-ton capacity batch recirculating dryer, the technology uses 23 to 24.5 kilograms of rice hull per hour for single dryer and 40.5 to 46.8 kilograms of rice hull per hour for double dryer. The furnace is fully automated, therefore operator-friendly. It requires minimal human attention, and it does not pose health risk to its operators. It is a 2-in-1 machine because it produces not only heat, but also carbonized rice hull. It is also designed to conform with local environment laws, having been equipped with gas emission and particulate scrubber, and therefore environment-friendly. The rice hull-fed furnace heater system has 3 major components. These are the combustion chamber, heat exchanger, and the fly ash scrubber system. The combustion chamber is made of durable materials, insulated with fire bricks, and equipped with a mechanism to effect automatic fuel feeding. It enhances combustion as well as removal of ash from the furnace. The heat exchanger has a cross-flow air tube type heat exchanger. It prevents direct contact of hot flue gases with grains being dried. This avoids contamination of dried product with fly ash particulates, smoke, and harmful gases. The fly ash scrubber system is composed of ash tank container that serves as scrubber unit to collect and clean the fly ash coming out from the chimney. With the system, clean smoke and controlled fly ash emission are assured. The St. Francis of Assisi Multipurpose Cooperative in Agusan del Sur is one of the adopters of this technology.
Nagpapasalamat po ako dahil binigyan kami ng tulong ng BIPRE sa ganitong sinabing rice hull furnace para sa aming mechanical dryer na nakabawas po ng aming gagastusin. Noon ay kerosene po ang ginagamit namin. Ngayon ay iba na lamang na mula sa aming rice mill. Ay itatapon sana namin yung ipa, pero nang pag dumating ang BIPRE na may pagkakataon na bumigay sa amin, nagtulong sa amin ng ganitong pananaliksik na bagong teknolohiya, ay saya kami at nagpapasalamat kami kasi nagamit na namin yung ipa na itatapon na. Sana magpatuloy sana ang assistance ng BIPRE sa co-op, kundi lamang pati na yung mga farmers kasi malaki na kapabuti sa amin at malaking tulong na naibigay sa amin itong teknolohiya na ito.
Another technology developed by BIPRE is the BIPRE multi-fuel biomass furnace. The multi-fuel biomass furnace also optimizes the use of mechanical dryers because it uses rice hull and corn cobs as fuel. It can provide the heat source for mechanical dryers, sufficient to dry paddy in an LSU-type 6-ton capacity mechanical grain dryer from 31% to 14% moisture content in 6 to 8 hours. Among the features of this technology are the following. It is made of high-quality material. It uses SK32 grade refractory bricks and quality-certified fire tubes. It is easy to operate and requires less operator attention. It is equipped with an automatic fuel feeder and ash discharge system and uses a proportional integral derivative or PID type temperature controller. The furnace provides clean hot air without smoke or ash entering the dryer. It has a heat exchanger made of high-quality fire tubes and can supply drying air up to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius temperature at 283 cubic meters per minute or 10,000 cubic feet per minute airflow rate. It also uses multiple fuels. It can burn rice hull, corn cobs, wood chips, or sawdust. Environment-friendly, it meets the limit set by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources Environmental Management Bureau on carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, gas, and particulate emission. It has a centrifugal blower that can provide complete burning of fuel and a dry-type ash arrestor. One of the early adopters of this technology is the High Farm Irrigators Association in Barangay Bonot, Santa Rosa, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
Maraming salamat po sa binigay ng programa ng ating gobyerno, lalo na po sa pamumuno ng BIPRE. Kahit po kayo malayo, narating po kami ng programa ng gobyerno. Lalo na po dito sa partnership pong itong binigay sa amin na naging pag natuyo namin yung palay namin, mais man o palay, maganda po yung quality.
Using these technologies, the moisture content of the grain can be controlled and reduced more closely to levels necessary for milling, with maximum head rice recovery and effective preservation of seed viability. With the development of the BIPRE biomass-fed furnace heater system and the multi-fuel biomass furnace, mechanical drying becomes an attractive means of drying crops. Through the continuous efforts of BIPRE, with the support of other government agencies, it is hoped that the 5% losses in drying can be reduced considerably for the farmers' benefit. Farmers thus will save on their precious harvests and be assured of higher income.